Hello. If any one of you was present on my presentation like 2 hours ago about this destination Earth stuff, great, because it's going to be like summary of this 20 minutes into 5 minutes. So it's going to be something new for you. So I'd like to introduce you Destination Earth in a very big short. Destination Earth Data Lake. As Destination Earth is a component. It's a project flagship initiative of European Commission, which aims to develop digital replica of the Earth. In fact, there are several replicas of the Earth which are dedicated to some specific areas of interest. For now, there are two of them: climate digital twin and extreme digital twin, which in fact is about the weather. So climate and the weather. Data lake is some kind of backend set of tools also to access data, manage this data in terms of destination Earth, including this digital twin outputs. It is behind core service platform DESP, which is managed by ESA, and this is the first point where the users starts their journey with Destination Earth. And the second one, Digital Twin Engine, which is managed by ECMWF, which is responsible for creating outputs from Digital Twin. And behind this data lake managed by EUMETSAT. So services provided by Destination Earth Data Lake, there are two types of them. The first one is about data access and data discovery. This is so-called Harmonized Data Access. It is a tool designed to be federated tool, federated access to data, also federated identity access management. How it works? So it provides you access to like 200 collections from 7 or 8 different data providers, data source, with one credentials and one API, which is based on STAC. So you don't have to worry about your passwords to, I don't know, Copernicus services, digital twins, Sentinel data. No, it's just one set of credentials and one API. The second group of services within Data Lake are so-called edge services, which are located on the cloud edges, located just next to the HPCs. They are completely free of charge, of course, but they are available on a request. So you have to write some justification, but don't worry, it's not like a proposal with dozen pages. It's more like, I don't know, half of the page, maybe one page of document. So the first one, STAC, which is a Jupyter Lab environment, which also provides possibility to create Dask clusters on different clouds, and it allows for web browser analysis, visualization, parallel computation without deploying virtual machines. So everything could be handled through web browser or through the SSH. The second one is Hook. Hook is a list of predefined processors, like, for example, calculating backscattering, generating backscattering, coherence, something like that. So you save time because of less coding. There are ready-to-use processors could be implemented into your workflows. And the third one, the biggest one, islet compute and islet storage. Islet, the previous services were about platform as a service, STAC, Hook, function as a service, and islet is infrastructure as a service. So through STAC, you can access virtual machines, Kubernetes clusters, some virtual environments, including GPU, which is located just next to the data, near data processing. It is also available as free storage to store, and then with possibility to share your data to the public. Okay, how to get an access to DEDL and DestinE? So this is Destination Earth platform managed by ESA, which I mentioned before. This is where the journey begins. Then you have to find the services tab on this web page, services on the edge. Then you will be redirected to data Destination Earth EU website. Of course, you can access it directly, but first you have to be logged in on DESP site. And I really encourage you to visit our GitHub with many tutorials. How to use this digital twin data, how to use digital twin outputs, also how to use, let's say, some kind of more regular data like Sentinel or Meteosat. Also how to use STAC and Hook. And this is really up to date. We're updating it after each changes in system, so you have you can be sure that it is really up to date. And that's all. Thank you very much. If you have any question, you can scan QR code and also grab me on LinkedIn. Thank you.